know that the last 8 years have been the hottest on record? Entire ecosystems are collapsing and weather patterns are more unpredictable than ever. What does this mean for you, your family, and the planet we call home? Climate change is no longer a distant threat. It's happening now and it's affecting all of us. Climate change is driven by human activities. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas for energy releases vast amounts of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, creating a greenhouse effect that warms the earth. Deforestation amplifies the problem by reducing the number of trees that absorb carbon dioxide, while industrial agriculture produces methane from livestock and nitrous oxide from fertilizers. The result is a fragile balance disrupted, leaving our planet in a tipping point. The effects of climate change are devastating and far-reaching. Rising temperatures are melting glaciers and polar ice caps, causing sea levels to rise and threatening coastal cities like Miami, Venice, and Jakarta. Extreme weather events, hurricanes, floods, heat waves, and droughts are becoming more frequent and intense, leaving millions of people displaced and causing billions of dollars in damages. Agriculture is severely affected, with crops failing in sub-Saharan Africa and water scarcity becoming a critical issue in regions like the Middle East. Biodiversity is also at risk as entire ecosystems collapse under stress. Coral reefs vital to marine life are dying off, while species like polar bears and elephants are being pushed to extinction. While climate change is a global problem, it affects certain regions. Low-lying islands, nations like Tuvalu, Kiribati are also at risk of disappearing entirely due to rising sea levels. In sub-Saharan Africa, prolonged droughts threaten food security and livelihoods, forcing families to migrate. Coastal cities in South Asia, such as Mumbai, are facing increasing floods, putting millions of lives in danger. The Arctic is warming nearly 4 times faster than the global average, disrupting ecosystems and indigenous communities who depend on ice and snow for survival. In the year 2024, Nairobi City in Kenya experienced heavy rains, which led to floods, forcing most of the individuals to be displaced.
Our special feature tonight, we revisit the heart-wrenching tragedy that befell the residents of Mathare 7 months ago, where more than 10 people lost their lives in floods. Our reporter Emily Chebet brings us a story of double tragedy of floods and forced eviction, the lost and fulfilled promises by government, and a fight for survival by the floods victims.
The time to act is now. Climate change is happening and we can't ignore it any longer. From stronger storms to rising seas, the effects are already here, but you can make a difference. Every small action counts, whether it's using less plastic, supporting clean energy, or speaking out for stronger policies. We have the power to protect our planet. It's up to us all to take action today for a better tomorrow. Let's stand together and fight for our future.